Big news from the Middle East. Trump orders an attack on Iran. Who ordered the attack? The attack hits Kharg Island oil hub. Where did the attack happen? Kharg Island is important for oil. Why is Kharg Island important? Trump wants the Strait of Hormuz open. What does Trump want open? Hormuz is key for oil movement. Why is Hormuz important? Let's learn 5 new words. Attack. To try to harm someone or something. Oil. Liquid fuel from the ground. Hub. A center or main point. Strait. A narrow body of water. Reopen. To open again. Who hit Iran's oil hub? What did Trump order to be open? Why is oil important?